Hello viewers, how are you? Today I'll discuss about how to add Captcha on Joomla contact form. And first you get your free extensions from here. I mean this site, extensions.com product simple Joomla Captcha plugin. If you check it here, this is the extension site, and you can get it at free. It is free, no cost for it. So you just make sure you just go to your extension site. You see I have already on my demo site, and I have already installed my plugin. This is Joomla plugin, Captcha simple Captcha plugin. I just install it. Then what I have done, install and then activate and follow this tutorial, and just follow this tutorial. I just install it. Plugin install successful. I just share it, and it shows that this plugin possesses a simple Captcha for forms in Joomla. I'll show you how can we do that. Just go for plugin sections and just find out for Captcha, CAPTCHA, and just find it for. And you will see two Captcha here. One is reCaptcha and one is simple Captcha. This one is just installed right now. If you enable it by clicking here, or you can just open it by clicking here and just make sure enable it. And here are two options. One is mathematical function, addition of numbers, and function complexity medium. Okay, so you can choose a medium, simple, or complex, or addition of numbers, multiplication of something like that. So save and close. Make sure. Then you will just have to make sure global configuration. You will go for global configuration, and from here, and here default Captcha will be simple Captcha. Captcha simple. This one. Just make sure it. Then we will add a menu. If we check here demo site, we will see here Captcha is not showing it here right now. So we will add it here. I just make sure main menu. And I will add a new menu item, contact, and here I go for contacts, single contact, and I will go for here is no contact is showing up because it is not made. Give me few seconds to create it. So I have to check select a contact. Let's see, it's simple Captcha contact. I already created it, and I just make sure save it, and let's refresh it. As there is contact plugin, and here you see the contact form, and here is your Captcha. You will see the Captcha here, and it shows it like contact and contact form, two options, because I have to check it here contact display options, and I will make sure display this one will be hide, 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 everything will be hide for perfectly showing it. Let's refresh it, or just click on it. Yes, it shows directly your contact form. So you see Captcha options, and Captcha optional what is 921755. And if you need any change, you just let me know, because I am the developer of this extension, so I can make any changes if you need. Like if you already there is option is subtraction or multiplication or divide, so you just need any more other options, just let me know in the video comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.